We came down to help out Scott's dad a little bit with a fence, and we got down here in this cow pasture having some fun. He almost lost it coming down this hill on that V-string with those slick tires. Hey, hey, hey!
Can't turn my head.
Davin. I don't know why they don't just go up the hill. Yep, he didn't fall down. I guess that's something. It's pretty through here, good property. Where in the world is he going? Oh, they're taking a tour. We'll see.